Today, we're tackling a question we get all the time from homeowners.
Should you go with quartz or quartzite countertops? They sound almost the same, but they're very different. And choosing the wrong one could cost you thousands depending on your lifestyle.
Let's start with quartz. Quartz countertops are man-made. They're about 90 to 95% crushed stone mixed with resins and pigments. That means they come in a ton of colors and different patterns. They're non-porous, and the best part, they don't need sealing.
In real life, quartz is low maintenance. It resists stains, bacteria, and scratches pretty well. It's perfect for families who actually use their kitchens every day. Now, what is quartzite?
Quartzite is the real deal. It is 100% natural stone formed from sandstone under intense heat and pressure. Every slab is unique, so you get that true natural stone look that everybody loves.
But quartzite is porous. It needs to be sealed regularly, usually once or twice a year to protect it from stains. And while it's harder than granite, it can still etch from liquids like lemon juice or wine.
Okay, now let's talk numbers. On Long Island, quartz typically runs anywhere from $70 to $120 per square foot installed, whereas quartzite is often more, around $90 to $150 per square foot, depending on the stone that you choose.
So quartz is usually more budget friendly and lower maintenance. Quartzite gives you the natural stone prestige, but with a higher price tag and a little extra care required.
If you want consistency, easy upkeep, and a ton of design options, then quartz is your winner.
But if you love the character of natural stone, you don't mind resealing, and you want a more high-end, organic look, then quartzite is the way to go.
At the end of the day, it's all about lifestyle and personal preference. Both are really great options. You just want to know what you're signing up for.
And if you're planning a renovation on the North Shore of Long Island and you want advice tailored to your home, give us a call. We'd be happy to help you choose what's right for your home.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. We'll see you next time.